and some strategies for the direct instruction part. So strategies for that online component.
Strategies for online instruction. And the last question was?
Assessment tools for group learning.
All right, I think we'll have more questions as we go, so we may as well assessment tools and strategies. All right, so we've broken up our flip panel into a few topics, so who is going to go first? Alice is up first, and she's talking about how do we get started with learning? What to think about when we get going with this?
Okay, so I'm going to also try and answer a couple of the questions that were posed here as I go through, because I have had some experience with some of these things that were raised. And I have 5 minutes, so I'm going to try and make 5 points, which gives me 1 point per minute, so we'll see how I do, but I am a lawyer, so, you know, I might be here for the next 45. So the first step, my goal is to talk about starting out. How do you begin this process of flipping the classroom? And I will say, just as an aside, for some of you interested in the more technical aspects of it, like creating podcasts and using Top Hat, I am also happy to talk to anyone who's doing that, because that was the part that was most intimidating for me, was just the technical side of it, because I am a technical idiot. My only tool is to turn things on and off when they stop working. That's the extent of my knowledge. So if you are similarly idiotic and want a safe space to ask stupid questions, feel free to contact me. Okay, so step 1 in flipping the classroom, and this actually picks up on something that Defink was talking about at the end of his session, is identifying what the point of your course is from a student point of view. What is it that you are trying to get your students